Hello friends, welcome to my another video. Hope you enjoyed my other videos. In this video, I will show you how can we add references in Maya and create 3D models. If you are new to my channel, then please like, comment, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon given below. I had told this option in previous video. Image plane. You can see this option in all four views. Now I am going to add a reference into front view. Select the path where is reference and click on reference. Then you can see the reference in the view. Now first thing is we need to set reference properly in view. Now select the reference and place it above the grid and place the reference in the center of the grid. Note that the reference is to place on the back of the grid. If we put it next to the grid, then we will not see the model. That's why keep it at the back of the grid. Now I'm going to set reference on side view, same as front view, and do same method in top view. You can see these dark lines, and this is the center of the grid. All the references put in the center of this grid. Now I have set all references and going to start 3D modeling. Let's begin, guys. Now I'm going to start 3D modeling in front view. First, take a cube, press W and move the object. Click on right mouse button and select vertex and make the shape like this. And remember, we need to see the model in all four views. Click 4 for wireframe. If our reference is placed in the wrong place, then we will correct it. And remember that we have to move the position of the reference, not the model. And yes, don't forget to save the file. Now I'm going to create other part. These side panels, you don't need to create other cube. Select this object and center pivot it. You can find center pivot here and also here. Then press Ctrl D for duplicate object. By pressing J, you can rotate model in angle. Now we need to check model in all views to placed correctly or not. Press D for another duplicate and place it to the other panel and check perspective view. How's our model going? Now the turn of back panel. Select this object and place it on the back panel. Now next is draw part. Create a cube and create the shape. It is not necessary that we have to edit with the vertex only. We can also edit with face and edges. Now the turn of handle. For create handles, select another shape and create shape like this. Select face and delete other parts. Now select and extrude. Click Ctrl D for duplicate this object and place it correctly. Go in channel box and scale it in -1 and place it opposite side. Now combine these two objects. You can find this combine option here, and also here. Duplicate this part with Ctrl D and place it on the other handle. Now model is complete. You can see the model. That's all in this video, guys. Hope you enjoy it. Watch and learn. Bye, guys.